M mode is used to determine patterns of motion for objects within the ultrasound beam. The most common use is for viewing motion patterns of the heart. Activate M mode by pressing the M key. Use the trackpad to move the M mode cursor. To change the overall brightness of the M mode waveform, turn the gain rotary dial located on the right-hand side of the control panel. Increase the gain to make the waveform brighter, and decrease the gain to make the waveform darker. In addition to using the gain rotary dial to adjust the M mode waveform brightness, you can also use 2 fingers to swipe side to side on the trackpad. Swipe to the right to increase the brightness, and swipe to the left to decrease the brightness. Other M mode parameters can be found at the bottom of the screen and within the app menu. Use the rotary dial and up-down arrow keys on the left-hand side of the control panel to select. Anatomical M mode gives you the ability to manipulate the cursor at different angles and positions. The M mode display changes according to the position of the cursor. Use the rotary dial and up-down arrows on the left side of the screen to select and highlight anatomical M. Push the rotary dial. Anatomical M mode is now activated. Press the arrow up key and turn the dial if necessary to select AMM angle. Push the rotary dial and then turn it to adjust the AMM angle.